So today we're going to run through a way where you can install any app onto your streaming device, whether it's your Fire Stick, Fire TV. This process can be used on Android TV as well, any device, and you can install anything. There's many apps out there, and sometimes you might come and find a video on how to install it, or you might find an app and you think, how do I get that onto my Fire Stick? And I'm going to show you how to do it, really simple, step by step, and we're going to take our time on this one. If you're brand new here, do remember to hit that subscribe button. We cover everything streaming. We've got tons of videos on whether it's watching football, whether it's your Fire Sticks, whether it's your other streaming devices, whether it's your apps, whether it's a VPN you may need. All on your device for you, okay? So hit that follow button, whichever platform you're watching on. And what we're going to do today, we're actually going to create codes for Downloader. So I'm going to show you how to create your own codes, and then you can create your own codes, and I'm going to show you how to find the links, and then you can download any app, okay? So first things, we're going to put Downloader on our device. So to get Downloader on the device, let me just uninstall this one. Right, so what we're going to do is go to our magnifying glass, type in here Downloader. You'll see it underneath there, Downloader. You'll click on that, and then we will click and install it, okay? Obviously, mine says download, you own it. You don't pay for it. It's a free app, and I'll show you what Downloader is for those who don't know it as well in a second. Right, that's installed, but let's not open it yet. Let's go to our home screen. Let's go across to our apps where it's 3 squares and a plus. Go to My Apps, and we will find Downloader right at the bottom. Once here, let me get out of the way. We're going to push the 3-line button on your remote, and we're going to ask to move it to the front. So we've got it up there so we can use it all the way through this video, okay? Brilliant. I'll come back. Right, we're going to get this Downloader set up so it can install anything, and this will help anybody who maybe gets a pass error, things like that. So what you need to do is go to your settings, go to My Fire TV, and you need to go to Developer Options. If you do not have Developer Options here, click on where it says About, and click the one which is the name of your device 7 times. Okay, then when you go back, you will have this Developer Options. Select the Developer Options, turn ADB debugging on, install unknown apps. We're going to turn it on for Downloader, okay, so that must be on. Right, back to your home screen. We're going to quickly open up Downloader. Very important here that you accept this permission, again behind my head. Accept this permission. If you do not, downloaded files will not be able to save onto your device. So you click allow and you click OK. Right. That part's done. So we've got the Downloader ready. We're going to ignore Downloader for a minute. What we're going to do is create a code to put into this Downloader so we can install anything. I'm going to create my code on my PC on the internet. You can actually do it on mobile phones as well. It's not a problem. So what you're going to need is a website which is go.aftvnews.com. Okay, you'll see it on the screen now. I've also, if you're watching this on YouTube, it's in the description and it's in the pinned comment for you as well. This website here is where we can make shortened URLs for the Downloader app and more. Okay, simple as that. So we're going to make a shortcode ourselves. So we're going to think of something we can do. So we're going to search Google, and I'm going to search for MX Player. Okay, as an example, MX Player, and we're going to download MX Player. But you need to make sure, obviously, the files you are downloading are good files. So we're going to scroll down and find where there's an option of MX Player, up to down, download MX Player. Right, so we click it, and we've got a download button here. I don't want to download it on my PC, I want to download it on my Fire Stick. So I'm going to copy the address at the top here. We're going to copy that, and then back in this shortcode, enter your URL to shorten. We're going to paste it in there. We're going to click We're Not a Robot, and we're going to shorten it. And what you'll see, it's given us a code, 17081. Okay, so what we're going to do, I'm going to go back to my Fire Stick. I'm going to type in that code, 17081. Okay, and we're going to click Go. And what you'll find that will do is load up the page we just had on the PC. So we now have a shortcode for our app. And you can do that with any app. Obviously, when you're installing apps, make sure the apps are safe, okay? You might want to run them via VirusTotal or anything like that. Try and download from reputable sources. Obviously, my sites, other sites. So obviously watch out for advertisement, because adverts are very tricky. It says start the download, but you can see at the top there it says advert. So we don't want that one. We want this green download button. We're going to click it. And that download is starting. Okay, that's going to download for us now. Let me get out the way again. We can now click install. We then click done. And then you click delete, because you don't need this file anymore. So you delete that file. And when you go back to your home screen, if you go to the three squares and the plus, my apps, and right down the bottom, there is the app we've just installed. And that process can be used to install any app. Okay, so you can use the website to create your own code. You can even type this URL in anywhere if you wanted to install that on a different device. You can go directly to the download as well if you want to. So you can copy the link of the download itself. So that process can work on everything. But obviously, the applications you are installing have to be compatible with your Fire TV device. Okay, so if they're not compatible, then it's not going to work. So if you tried to get something like Sky Go, which doesn't work on a Fire Stick, it still won't work no matter where you install it from. Okay, it's things